Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So today we will deal with a new topic. So length of subtangent and subnormal, right? So length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal. First of all, how we can take subtangent, subnormal. If you observe, this is your curve, right? So at this curve, at the point P, take a tangent. Okay, so exactly perpendicular to tangent is called its normal. So P is the point, right? From the point P we have taken the tangent. At the point P to the curve we have taken tangent to the curve. Okay, so now exactly perpendicular to tangent, if we take one line, that is called its normal. Okay, so here PL is the length of the tangent and PG is the length of the normal, and this is your foot of the perpendicular. This M is the foot of the perpendicular from P to this line. Okay, then this LM is called the length of the subtangent and mg is called the length of the subnormal. Okay, so come on, we can take now the formulas for the length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal. This is one curve, right? For that curve we have taken one point. P x1 y1 be a point on the curve, right? So for that you take the tangent to the x-axis. Any line perpendicular to the tangent, right? Here it is perpendicular to that tangent. That line is called the normal to the curve. That line is called the normal to the curve. Okay, so from that point you take one perpendicular line and your M is the foot of the perpendicular. M is the foot of the perpendicular. Then we can take PL as the length of the tangent. Okay, PL is the length of the tangent. Next PG. PG is the length of the normal. Then we can take LM is the length of the subtangent and MG is the length of the subnormal. Okay, now come to the formulas for your length of the tangent. So length of the tangent is modulus of, all formulas are in terms of modulus. So modulus of y into root of 1 plus y dash square. So what is y dash? Y dash is equal to, it is dy by dx. Okay, so what is y dash? Derivative of y function is your y dash. Modulus of y into root of 1 plus y dash square by y dash. Similarly, length of normal is equal to modulus of y into root of 1 plus y dash square. Next, length of subtangent. Length of subtangent is y by y dash, right? Length of subnormal is y into y dash. So where y dash means derivative of y. Okay, so suppose P is a point on the curve, y is equal to f of x, let then the tangent and normal to the curve at P meets the x-axis in L and G. The tangent, right, and normal at P. P is a point on this curve, right? The tangent, right, and normal at P meets the x-axis at L and G. Meets the x-axis at L and G respectively. Let M be the foot of the perpendicular. M be the foot of the perpendicular from P to that line, right? Then we can take PL is equal to length of the tangent, right? So PL is the length of the tangent and PG is the length of the normal. Okay, then LM is nothing but length of the subtangent and MG is equal to length of subnormal. If you observe all the formulas for these four, right, modulus is there, right. So modulus means if we get anything negative, then also it will be plus only. And what is the value? Y into root of 1 plus y dash square by y dash. Okay, so y dash, what is the meaning of y dash? Means y dash is equal to dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x is called y dash. Okay, so next this one is modulus of y into root of 1 plus y dash square. Next this one is y dash, not downwards, it should be the length of subtangent is equal to y by y dash. Length of subnormal is equal to modulus of y into y dash. Okay, so today four topics, right, four definitions, small definitions. What is that? Length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent and length of subnormal. Okay, so this is the curve. At that curve, at that point, on that curve, at that point we have taken one tangent and one normal. They will meet the x-axis at the point L and G, and you take one M point as foot of the perpendicular from P on the x-axis, right. Then we can say PL is the length of the tangent and PG is the length of the normal, right, and LG is called length of subtangent and MG is called length of subnormal. Okay, these are the formulas. Now we have to use these formulas while solving the example problems. So now come to first problem. Show that the length of the subnormal at any point on the curve. So first one, what is your first one? It is y square is equal to 4ax is the curve equation, is the given curve equation, is the given curve equation we can take, is the given curve equation. Then we have to prove that length of subnormal at any point y square is equal to 4ax is constant. We have to find length of subnormal. See, length of subnormal formula is modulus of y into y dash. So we need a y dash value. What is y dash? Y dash is equal to dy by dx. So come on, differentiating this with respect to x on both sides, right. You see this on both sides. Then what happens? It is d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of 4ax. Okay. So we can write d by dx of y square. You know the formula. What is that formula? D by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of x. So d by dx of x is 1. Okay, so here instead of x we are having y. So compulsory we have to write dy by dx. So it is 2 into y to the power of 2 minus 1 into d by dx of y is equal to, it is a constant right outside. So you write down d by dx of x. Okay, so is equal to, it is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a into d by dx of x value is 1. So now you will have dy by dx is equal to 4a by 2y. So it is 2 ones are 2 twos are, so it is 2a by y. Okay, so now you take your value. What is that value we want? It is show that problem length of the subnormal. So take a length of subnormal formula. Length of subnormal. What is the formula for length of subnormal? Length of subnormal is equal to, it is modulus of y into y dash. Okay, so is equal to modulus of y only. We got y dash as 2a by y cancel is equal to 2a. 2 is a number, a is a letter, constant. So constant into constant, constant only, right? So this is the constant value. Okay, now come to the second question. So if you know the formula, it is very simple. In all these formulas, only thing is we have to find y dash. What is y dash? Y dash is dy by dx. Okay, so we have to take y dash is equal to dy by dx. So differentiating y with respect to x. If we know y dash, we can find all the 4 values. What are the 4 values? Length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal. Okay, now come to the second question. Show that the length of the subtangent at any point on the curve y is equal to a to the power of x is a constant. So what is the given curve equation? Y is equal to a to the power of x is given curve equation. Okay, this is your given curve equation. So we want to prove that length of subtangent is a constant. So length of subtangent means y by y dash. Again we need y dash value, right? So to get y dash value, we have to differentiate y with respect to x. So come on, differentiate with respect to x on both sides we have to do. Then what happens, it is d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of a to the power of x. So come on, how we will write that value? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of a to the power of x is a standard formula, right? What is that formula? A to the power of x into log a. And what is our a to the power of x? A to the power of x is given as y. So we can write this as y into log a. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to y into log a, that is y dash is equal to y into log a. So we have to find subtangent, right? Length of subtangent. So you take length of subtangent. Subtangent is equal to, what is the formula? Now only we have taken 4 formulas, isn't it? Length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal. So what is the formula for subtangent? It is y by y dash. So apply the formula, that is y by y dash. So is equal to y. What is y? We can write y value as y. Y dash is in terms of y. So you can write y as y only into log a. Okay, y cancel, 1 by log a is the answer. Okay, so log a, it is not in terms of x, it is in terms of a letter, so it is a constant. So 1 by constant is constant only. Okay, so that's why it is proved. Okay, so this is the question. So we did 2 problems. In the 2 problems, first question we have to prove that length of subnormal is constant, and second question we have to prove that length of subtangent is constant. Okay, so once again, so this is one curve is there. To the curve at the point P, we have taken one tangent and one normal. Normal means the line exactly perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. Okay, from that point you draw the perpendicular on the x-axis. Here also we have taken tangent and normal to the x-axis, right? This PL, right, is the tangent on the x-axis from the curve on the x-axis. Next PZ is a normal from the point on the x-axis. Okay, so next from that point you draw one perpendicular line, then M will be the foot of the perpendicular on the x-axis. Then PL right? This PL is called the length of the tangent and PZ is called length of the normal. Okay, so LM is called length of subtangent and MG is called length of subnormal, and their formula is length of the tangent is equal to, this is the formula, modulus of y into root of 1 plus y dash square by y dash, where y dash is dy by dx. Similarly, length of normal is modulus of y into root of 1 plus y dash square. Next, length of subtangent, length of subnormal. Okay, so in all these formulas we need y dash value. So y dash means derivating y with respect to x is called y dash. After that we have taken two problems. So first problem is show that the length of subnormal at any point on the curve y square is equal to 4ax is constant. So what is the given curve equation? This is the given curve equation. Okay, so differentiate this with respect to x on both sides, right? So d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of 4ax. So it is y square. So d by dx of x to the power of n form n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of x value. Instead of x we are having y, right? So d by dx of y remains as it is. After that you take your dy by dx is equal to 4a by 2y, 2, right, 2a by y. So length of this subnormal is equal to modulus of y into y dash. Okay, so substitute your y dash, then y cancel, 2a, it is a constant. Similarly, go to the second question. We have to show that length of the subtangent is constant. So y is equal to a to the power of x is the equation, given curve equation. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we will get this equation. Okay, so same thing, d by dx of a to the power of x is a to the power of x into log a, right? So it is y into log a. So y dash dy by dx means nothing but y dash is equal to y log a. So length of subtangent is y by y dash. We got a constant value now. Okay, so this is about your length of subtangent and subnormal. So we will have from this topic, we are having one 7 marks question, one 4 marks question. We solved some 7 marks questions now. Now we have to get 4 marks question from this subtangent, subnormal. Suppose in the question it is asked the tangent, right, length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal, then it belongs to 7 marks question. Only 2 are asked or only 1 is asked, then it belongs to 4 marks question. All the 4 are asked, right, then it belongs to which question? 7 marks question. Okay, if it belongs to only question contains only 2 questions or 1 question, either length of the subtangent or subnormal, like that, it belongs to 4 marks question. Okay, practice these problems properly. Tomorrow we will continue this exercise. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.